2 days ago, I co-chaired the COVAX AMC engagement group together with Minister Karina Kolb of Canada and Dr. Lia Tadese of Ethiopia. It was attended by more than 400 participants, I think almost 500 participants. Through COVAX facility, the AMC 92 economies could obtain up to or hope to obtain up to 20% of their population. And during the meeting, we discussed various details in preparation of equitable and fair access to vaccine for all to take place. Equitable and fair access to vaccine for all countries is a very important issue. It is not only important for developing and least developed countries, but also important for developed countries and for the world. We recover stronger if we recover together. So, colleagues, I'm very glad that the principle of equitable and fair access to vaccine has received strong support from all of us. And to ensure its implementation, I believe there are three main issues. First is the availability of vaccine. Here, the cooperation with manufacturer is key. And in the last couple days, as mentioned by the previous speaker, I read the glooming news that vaccine nationalism remains happening. If it is continued, for sure, it will jeopardize vaccine multilateralism. And then second is the financial support. Here, we need strong cooperation with donors, multilateral development banks, philanthropies, and others. Third, readiness of developing and least developed countries to receive vaccine. This is not an easy part at all. Most likely, the vaccine that will be distributed to participants of AMC 92 will require ultra cold chain. So the question is, do they have this kind of infrastructure?